Hey everyone, how's it going? This is a Binance versus Exness honest review, and in this video you're going to know which one you should go. Now first thing, as you can see, that Binance does not support MT4 or MT5, which are MetaTraders, but Exness supports it. So if you need MT4 or MT5, then obviously Exness is the way to go. Next up, as you can see, for proprietary platform, automated trading, social copy trading, and DOM, these type of things are available for both Binance and Exness. So you can go to either of them. Scalping, hedging, these are also available, or one-click trading is available for both of them. Now, available markets, as you can see, cryptocurrency is available for them both, but currency pairs is only available for Exness. Commodities, crude oil, gold, metals, and equity indices, all these are available for Exness, but not for Binance. Next up, we have options and futures. And clearly, if you want to trade options or futures, Binance is your way to go, and Exness is not, because Exness does not support these things. Up, as you can see, that the average trading cost, all these things are showing, but not for Binance. Now, I think the choice you need to make here is pretty much clear. You need to trade indices, crude oil, gold, things like that, then obviously Exness is the way to go. But if you need to trade options, futures, and other things like that, then Binance is the platform that you should really be going for. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.